Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show you how I achieved this simple birthday flyer design using Pixellab. So these were the layers I used for this particular design. Let me delete it and then start from the beginning. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you. So let's get started.
Let me import the background I used. Let me import the particular background I used for this design. So my resources. So scroll until you find this. So this was the first background I used. Click on it and then import it. So centralize it and then lock it up. So the next thing, let me import the second background. I used two backgrounds for this design. Click on it. Okay, let's import the flyer and use it as reference. So this is what we are trying to achieve. So keep it here and then let's import the second background I used. So this was the second background. This is it. So import it, increase the size, then come over to color filter, reduce it like this, then come to brightness -15, and then opacity, reduce it to 50 or 60 rather. So this is the background. I used two backgrounds to achieve one background. So let's bring this here and then let's work on the flyer. So first thing, this is the picture. So this, I faded this down part. You can achieve it with either PixArt or PS Touch. So I achieved this one with PixArt and it's very simple. And if you are using Photoshop, it's also very simple. You can brush the edge of the picture. So increase the size of this and then centralize it. Then bring this picture here. Bring this picture here. I'm trying to get the particular picture size I used. So I guess this is the size. So increase it, then centralize it and then lock it. Now let me import the other two pictures I used. So this is the flyer we are working on. This is the flyer we are working on. So I used two other pictures. Let's import that. So click on here and then my resources. So I guess this is the first one. This is the first one, and then let's import the second one. So I think this is the second one. This is it. So now let's properly align it. So bring this here and place it here. Yeah, perfect. So next thing, bring this one here and place it here. So take this behind this, and that was how I achieved this. So the next thing I did here, I imported this star. There is this star that looks like light effects. So yeah, this is it. I imported this, and then let me take this flyer up so you see what I'm trying to achieve. So look closely behind this picture. I imported this star, then I have to blend the color, reduce the brightness to hue rather -6, and then brightness, reduce it. So I'll take this star behind this first picture like this. So this is it. Then place it somewhere here. So go ahead and lock it. Then I still copied it and placed it somewhere here. Yeah, I think okay, that is it. So go ahead and lock it as well. Then come over to text. And write belated happy birthday. So change the color to white, and then let's choose a corporate font like Nexa. You know, I love using Nexa for my designs. This is Nexa. Reduce the size, then increase the spacing and centralize it. So lock it up as well. Now let's import the other elements I used for this design. Let's import the other elements. So this was another element I used. Come over to my resources and then this is it. So I imported this flower, reduce the size like this, then place it somewhere here, copy it again and placed it somewhere here. So I'll take the two flowers behind this first picture like this, then click on this first one, go to opacity and reduce it, click on this and do the same thing. So that is it, just to be creative. That is it. So the next thing I did here, okay, let me import this crown on his head. So this is it, then open it, and then let's place it here, rotate it a little bit, reduce the size, and then place it somewhere here. So yeah, that is it. Then lock it. So this place I wrote his name. Let me import this, then my resources, and then that should be somewhere here. I guess it should be somewhere here. Okay, this is it. Then open it, then I placed it somewhere here, and then I took it behind this first star, which is this, like this. Then lock it, then click on this flower, copy it, and also place it here like this. So that is it. Then go ahead and write. So this is a very simple design. I achieved this design under a few minutes. Change the color to white and then change the font to Bebas. So no much text, and this is it. Let's reduce it. So that is it. So you can copy these fonts, and then you write 13th July 2025 or 13th July 2025, something like this. So you can place it here, maybe reduce the size, and we are done with the design, but we are not done. So let me delete this. So this is what we've gotten so far. Then after designing on Pixellab, I import it to Lightroom and I do the final retouch. So let's save the flyer, and then so we are done. So come over to your Lightroom app. This is my Lightroom, and then let's import the flyer we just saved from Pixellab. Click on this plus icon and then locate your Pixellab folder. This is Pixellab. So click on it and then click on add. So this was the first design I did. Yes, this was the main design. Then this is the one I just imported now. So let me copy these settings from this and show you everything. Copy this and then come over to this one I just saved. Then paste it here. And let me show you the settings. So paste it here. Now this is the settings. So after I did the design on Pixellab, I import it to Lightroom and then I increase the sharpening. Then come over to sharpening, increase it to plus 88, radius to -0, and then details to plus 32. Then come over to effects, increase the texture to 7, and that is all. Come over to color, click on this mix. You just come over to color and we did something here. Yes, click on this green color and increase the saturation. You can increase the saturation to maybe -18, and I think that is all for color. Then come over to light, exposure 0, contrast +4, then highlight -25, shadows -1, white -11, and blacks -11. So that is all. This is the before and this is the after. So go ahead and save your design, and that is it. So try this out and let me know if it's worked for you. I'll see you on the next one.